up, YouTube? It is your girl, DWG, and I am back with another banger. Wow! Y'all see I'm back? I am back. I am officially back on YouTube. Anyways, I love y'all so much. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm just trying to figure out if y'all have any panic alarms.
In the fridge?
Yeah. I'm not talking about fire alarms. I'm talking about, like, panic alarms.
Why?
Well, I'm just asking. I'm just curious.
I don't know I'm sorry, I wouldn't know the answer to that question.
Okay.
I believe we would.
Okay, well, I do love you. I appreciate you.
My pleasure. You have a nice day.
All right, you too. Bye. What? The video keeps cutting me off because nobody wants to answer my question on legally whether they have panic alarms or not. I'm not talking about emergency alarm systems. I'm talking about panic alarms. And it keeps cutting me off. Hey, yes, ma'am. I got a quick question for you. Do y'all have any panic alarms?
Did you say panic alarm?
Yes.
Are you trying to reach South State Bank?
Yes.
I wouldn't be able to disclose any information like that for you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I do love you. I appreciate you.
Anything else you were calling about?
No, ma'am. I love you so much. You're so sweet.
All right. You take care, and thank you so much for calling South State. You take care.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I love you. Bye.
Okay. City Bank, this is Leanne. How can I help you?
Hey, yes, ma'am. I got a quick question for you.
Okay.
Do y'all have any panic alarms?
Do we what?
Do y'all have any panic alarms?